We needed to get a new bar for the bathroom for getting up and down, and this one from Vivor is the one we decided on. This box isn't too large. It's about 20 pounds though, so it is pretty heavy. I'm looking forward to seeing this one. I feel like it's probably going to be pretty substantial. So we'll open up the side here. And I'm guessing it will slide out. As you can see, it's all wrapped in styrofoam. There. The different bars come out. You can see all the pieces. It's definitely well made. Got the instructions here. So we've got the part that goes to the floor. Then we have a part that goes to the ceiling for support. And then we have a handle. There's also a foam section for holding on to. And this way you can move this and position it wherever you're going to need. It's got just a few parts. Those parts go together solidly and then securely screw tension up to the ceiling and down to the floor, and give you the ability to stand up and down with the handle just about anywhere. Of course, this applies to your standard ceiling height. This is from Vivor. It's not too much assembly. Hope this helps.